Happy Friday, everyone. It is Friday. We've made it to day 4. So if you're on day 4, make sure to do your daily check-in down below. Now, I woke up a little bit dizzy this morning. I got up too fast and I felt kind of everywhere. So I drank my Himalayan Salt. I feel great now. It was just a very momentary dizzy. I highly recommend to walk very slow and get up very slowly while you're water fasting. And make sure to take your Himalayan Salt. As usual, it's 8 a.m., so I'm gonna do my shot of half apple cider vinegar and half water. Now, a lot of dentists recommend to do this with a straw because they don't want you to damage your enamel for your teeth. So I have a straw, but I'm not a fan of plastic straws, so I'm gonna go purchase a reusable straw because apparently straws are really bad for the environment. So I'm gonna go purchase a reusable straw, and I recommend you guys to do the same so you're not actually using these disposable straws every day because that's pretty bad. So I'm taking my shot of apple cider vinegar with a straw in a shot glass. This is a new low for me. Okay, I'm getting better at that. I'm not squinting as much as yesterday. I'm also taking my multivitamin. Now, I put the links below for all these supplements and everything, so if you guys don't have any, you're welcome to check it out. Okay, so there you go, water with Himalayan salt, take your supplement. As I did for the other 3 days, I'm gonna be taking my magnesium and my potassium tonight because magnesium makes me a little sleepy and makes me sleep really well. Now let's rewind a little bit and start to reprogram our brain for the weekend because as you guys know, it's Friday right now and Friday is a day where everybody falls off track. Right? Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you're around food, there's a lot of social gatherings. That's when everybody just loses control and gives into their cravings and temptations because you're gonna be around a lot of people. For example, I have an event tonight which is called the Mid-Autumn Mooncake Festival, and it's very famous in Chinese culture that everybody's giving out mooncakes and you get together as a family to eat dinner. So I've already told everyone at dinner that, hey, I'll come for dinner, I'll come for the festivities, but I will not eat anything, I will just drink my water. So everybody's on board so far. I know it's not as lucky for some people. I dealt with all the judgment from family, friends, and colleagues a couple months ago during my first water fast. So I'm a little bit luckier in the sense that I've actually explained it to them and they're letting me do this and nobody's actually getting in the way or giving me more objections. Obviously, they're telling me not to do it and blah, blah, blah. But they know that I'm not eating and I'm sticking to my guns. So if you guys want, and it's really important to you guys, you could just tell people, maybe you're not hungry or something like that, or you just ate. If you want to avoid the topic of explaining water fasting to them, as I said in a lot of my videos, conserve your energy. Don't waste all your time fighting off objections. Just conserve your energy. Do this for yourself. And nobody needs to know if you already ate before you go to an event. So just tell them you already ate. Or if you're brave enough, you can actually try to confront them and explain the water fasting concept to them. But it's very radical for most people and they don't understand the health benefits and the autophagy behind it. So if you're brave enough, try that. If you're not brave enough, just tell them you ate. And you're gonna get hit with a lot of objections. So I would just stay away from it, steer clear from it, conserve your energy, and just stick to your mental fast because you don't want people instilling doubt in your brain right now because you're doing this journey, you've committed to this journey, so just stick with it no matter what everyone says. Another thing to remember, which I touched a little bit on my video yesterday, is this is one weekend out of all the weekends you're ever gonna have in your entire life until you're 85, 100, whatever the lifespan is again. So you don't need to eat this weekend. I know you're gonna be tempted. I know people are gonna have food around you. I know people are gonna go do these events and outings and dinners and social gatherings, but you don't need to eat this weekend. Just drink some water. It won't kill you to skip one time, one weekend. So just skip this weekend. If you've committed to your water fast, stick with it. Make sure that going into the weekend, you have a journal and you write down how you're feeling. Hey, I'm feeling sad because I can't eat dinner with my friends. But you know what? It's one time to be a little bit sad for your entire life, but the benefits of this water fast that you're gonna achieve after with the mental clarity and the detoxing effects on your body and the weight loss effects that come with it that are a side effect of water fasting, you're gonna thank yourself for not eating this weekend. So write it down, stick to your guns, write your why, remember why you're fasting, and get through this weekend and power through strong. I'll be posting a video every single day, so if you're feeling a little bit stressed or you're feeling hungry, tempted, cravings, anything like that, come watch my videos, do your daily check-in, and reprogram your mind that you're not gonna eat this weekend because you've committed to your water fast. So day 4, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this. One more little tidbit of information. The weight is dropping off. I haven't updated my numbers yet, but I could tell from my clothes, my shirt is actually way too big for me now. So I would like it to be like this, But I'm not ready to buy new clothes yet because I'm kind of in between sizes and I want to get down to the lower size before I spend a bunch of money on clothes, because I'm not planning on staying at this size forever. I'm planning on being at least 135, so I'll update you guys with my weight soon. I have a little pro tip for you guys. So if you're having heartburn, typically some people the first couple days of fasting, they have heartburn. Because I'm taking the magnesium and the potassium this time around, I don't have headaches, I don't have heartburn, I don't have keto flu, anything like that. So I'm very lucky this time that my fast is going smoothly, not dizzy yet, only a little bit when I woke up. But if you're having a heartburn, which is super normal, you have this weird burning feeling here and it's pretty strong. If you have that, take a shot of apple cider vinegar. So what I do in the morning is just take a half an ounce of apple cider vinegar with half an ounce of water, drink it, and it will really help soothe your heartburn. What happens is that the acidity in your stomach gets changed when you stop eating, so it helps to kind of rebalance the acidity in your stomach. So do your apple cider vinegar shot. What you can also do is that you can also take baking soda. So take about 1/4 teaspoon in water of the higher grade baking soda, so probably the Bob Red Mills. That one, I forgot exactly what it's called, but I'll put the link down below. If you guys want, you can do it with baking soda as well. It kind of just helps to fix up and balance your pH in your stomach so the acidity gets balanced, and that really helps with the acid reflux or the heartburn or whatever you guys want to call it. So that's a little pro tip for the day if you're feeling that. If you're feeling headachy right now, then it'll pass really soon. I hope that they're just mild headaches. Make sure you always check with your doctor when you're starting these types of programs. So if you're feeling headachy, it's the sugar withdrawal, or if you stopped coffee, or if you stopped smoking or something like that, it's just the withdrawal effect. So the headaches will go away pretty soon. Usually headaches are day 1, 2, and 3. So you're almost done day 4 right now. So the headaches should probably stop soon. So that's good news. And once we get over day 5 is when you get over the hump. So day 5 is kind of when you stop being hungry. And you'll kind of notice that you don't mind being around food anymore on day 5. So you can actually smell the food, enjoy the food, like I was talking in my video yesterday, being creepy and smelling everyone's food. But we're almost over the hump, so keep going. We're going into the weekend. Let's go strong. And it's Friday, so don't mess up tonight, okay? As I said, I'll check in later this evening. I'll be at dinner, but I'll post my video anyway, and I won't be eating tonight. So if you guys have a social gathering as well, I'm in there with you. I'm going to the social gathering and being the weirdo drinking water. So let's do this. Little update from my house to my car, which was a 1.5-second walk. I got a little dizzy again, but let's keep powering through, drinking our Himalayan salt, and let's get over this dizziness. So keep going. Walk slowly like a turtle. Look at my little concoction of salt. People are like, what is this weird powder on your desk? It's Himalayan salt. Hi guys, I'm back home. It's about 4:30. I got off work early today, which is pretty exciting, and I'm about to go to the Mooncake Festival in a bit. I'm just gonna shower, post my video, get ready, and go to the Mooncake Festival. Maybe I'll take a little photo of what I'm wearing or something for tomorrow. And I also did a little haul today. I left the stuff in the car, so I'll save it for tomorrow. But I went to Bath & Body Works at lunch and bought a couple of super cool candles. I also got some cool tea from David's Tea, so I'll show you guys what I got tomorrow. Now I'm just taking my potassium and my magnesium. It's 4:30, it's a little earlier than I usually take it, so hopefully I don't get sleepy tonight. Sometimes I have trouble with the pills. I'm feeling good. I definitely had some spouts today where every time I got up, I was like, whoa. But it just lasts a split second, and I just took more Himalayan salt. I brought it to work in a little Tupperware container, so I've been taking it all day. One little thing about the multivitamin that I've been taking every morning is the first time I actually take the multivitamin this early on in the fast. Usually I take it on day 7 or 10, but I wanted to take everything at the beginning and see if it helps my side effects, and it really did. I haven't had any side effects recently. One thing to note about the multivitamins is some people get a little nauseous or a little queasy after taking the multivitamins on an empty stomach. So if you're gonna take multivitamins, it's possible that you might get queasy. It only lasts like 10 or 15 minutes where you feel a little nauseous. But some people also take the prenatal vitamins. Apparently they're a little softer on your stomach if you want to try that. I'll put all the links for everything that I got today, everything that I used today down below. including the baking soda, blah, 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 everything like that. So I hope you guys like this video. Tomorrow I'm gonna be posting a little haul video with my teas and my candles, and I'll be posting day 5. But congratulations so far, guys. Whoever's on day 4 with me, we're almost there. We're almost through with day 4. Tonight, be careful at your social gatherings if you're going out. If you guys are going drinking, drink your water, don't drink your alcohol. If you guys are going to a party, make sure you don't eat any snacks. You can do this. It's all in your head. You really don't need the food. Like, give me one reason where you actually want to eat the food tonight when you've committed to your fast. You're just going to feel bad afterwards anyway and say, whoa, that wasn't worth it. I've already tried this food a million times in my life, so I don't need to eat it now. So remember that. And if ever you feel like breaking your fast, do this little exercise first. Take a piece of paper and write down 5 reasons why you really want to break your fast. And I guarantee you, you're not going to be able to come up with 5 reasons. You're just going to come up with 1 or 2 reasons, like, because I feel like it, because I'm hungry. But really try to convince yourself, give yourself 5 reasons why you actually want to break your fast. And then remember, hey, I actually don't want to break my fast. And then you'll remember 5 reasons why you don't want to break your fast. So keep going, power through this. We're in this together. If you haven't done your daily check-in, do it below. Everybody checks in every single day. Then I know you guys are still on track. So put your stuff down below. If you want to tell me, hey, I lost this many pounds, or hey, I struggle with this today, or hey, I had a good day, my energy's great today. Whatever it is, write it in the comments down below. That's what the comments are for. I would love to read your experience about the water fast. And remember, the people who are reading the comments are actually learning from you guys. So by you guys being accountable and checking in every day, other people who have never water fasted before are gonna say, whoa, look at all these people water fasting. Maybe I can do it too. And then we're gonna help everybody succeed, and we're gonna have a great, massive group of amazing, positive people for Fast Forward to Health. And stay tuned, I'm actually making a website soon. I'll post it soon, I'm still working on it. And someone asked me the other day, why are you even spending so much time making a website? What's in it for you? What's in it for me is that I wanna see this group grow, and I wanna help as many people as I can. And at the same time, making these videos, having this group, it really holds me accountable to getting to my own goals. People were asking me why I'm losing weight and things like that. I'm still technically right over the overweight BMI, so I want to get into that normal BMI. So making these videos for you guys, motivating you guys, it gets me really pumped too. So that's what's in it for me. I wanted to make the website. I'm super excited about it. I have a couple things coming, like my keto guide, my refeed guide, my grocery list for the refeed. I have a lot of things coming. I have an affirmation journal. So it's a journal that you guys can write in every day during your fast, or anytime, even if you're not fasting, if you're doing intermittent fasting. So many cool things that I'm about to launch. So if you guys haven't joined the Fast Forward to Health Accountability Group, make sure you click that link below. It's facebook.com/groups/fastforwardtohealth. I know a lot of you don't have Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, then absolutely you can still join the community. You can send me an email at fastforwardtohealth@gmail.com. That's going to be the email subscriber list. I send out motivational emails once in a while. I have so many exciting things coming, so I'm really happy for you guys to be part of this journey with me. I know a couple of you guys in the comments were so sweet asking me why I don't have more subscribers than I do, and I'm really, really thrilled with what we have right now. We have 2,500 plus subscribers on YouTube and more than 500 members in the Facebook group, almost 600 right now. And it makes me so, so happy. But you know, one thing that really does help me, if you guys want to see my channel grow and you guys want to be part of this massive community, sharing my videos really helps. I have the 10 tips to water fasting video. I have the what to expect 12 things video. And I have the little water fasting playlist. So if you click on the water fasting playlist, you'll see all the videos. And if you like any of them, then make sure you share it. Because if you share it, then more people will get the awareness and more people will learn about water fasting. So do that for me if you guys want. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you get my videos every single time I post it, to hold you guys accountable. Check in down below, write the comments, hit the like, do everything you want. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Mwah. Happy fasting and happy Friday. Woo! Finally done work.